Time now for your weather on the 4s.
So far right now, as we take a look at our There For You weather headlines with our weather on the 4s, we still expect to see some isolated activity, and it becomes a little bit more widespread as we go throughout the day. Flash flood danger still persists for us. We'll look at what the wildfire smoke is looking like so far for us, and look at that. There's the possibility of seeing some holiday storms, and we'll see that in just a moment with our 7-day forecast. So far right now, very picturesque out there in Park City Mountain. Take a look at that. Great sunrise, plenty of cloud cover, denoting all of that moisture. We continue to see that we have temperatures also hanging around the 70s, 80s, a few 60s also, but it's overall a warm start to our morning. And as we continue to see that shower activity still kind of lingers for us, not by much though. We still see a few areas here towards southeast Utah. Also, a few higher elevation showers still popping up for southern Utah, and we're starting to clear out a little bit more over for northern Utah. And one thing we do expect to see is rain still possible. Monsoonal moisture still making its way in, creating quite a bit of wet weather for us, but it's also bringing some westerly winds, which brings the wildfire smoke over from the west coast. So we expect to see a little bit of degradation in our air quality towards the afternoon hours for northern Utah and eastern Nevada. We have this flash flood watch that goes into effect at 11 a.m. and lasts until midnight today. So that is something to keep in mind. Of course, we expect to still see excessive rainfall possibilities in the area shaded in green, so everywhere here around eastern Utah and southern Utah. That's something to keep in mind, especially if we're going outdoors to recreate. We expect to see some flash flooding in parts of Capitol Reef and Grand Staircase, Escalante. Other areas not as high, but we still continue to possibly see those flash floods. Again, we are not, it's advised not to go into the slot canyons. We expect to also see shower activity really pick up for the afternoon hours, even getting a little as far north as parts of the Wasatch Front towards the evening time frame. Still see a little bit of activity overnight, but that clears out. And as we go into Friday, we see it all over again. And we continue to see that we have shower activity hanging around. It becomes a little bit more stronger as we have more moisture working its way in due to a low pressure system also combining with that high that continues to bring in some shower activity for us. Regional forecast, we're expecting to see temperatures ranging around the 90s and triple digits. Speaking about triple digits and afternoon showers, 7-day forecast for St. George looks almost identical each and every single day. That's monsoon season for us. Wasatch Front, we're expecting to see temperatures ranging around the triple digits, but isolated chances for us as we go into the holiday weekend.